Living in the city, my dream of having my own yard and my own little garden is basically impossible. Having Cell 1 is the closest and easiest way to have my own little garden inside. My name is Sina. I'm a yoga teacher, and health, nutrition, and fitness are the most important things. When it comes to food choices, my main go-to is as close to the origin as possible. And if I really don't know what I'm gonna eat, I still have my app, I still have my cookbook, and I have great ideas with different recipes. I absolutely love superfoods.
Hi, I'm Marina, and we are the founders of Cell Garden. We wanted to create a holistic concept that allows people to grow their own fresh and tasty superfoods right at their homes. Smart, well-designed, and helps people to follow a healthy lifestyle.
Growing up on the farm, one of my favorite moments were gardening with my family and harvesting fresh greens and vegetables. Living in a city, we found out that everyone wants to get access to freshest and cleanest ingredients possible, but they have no space or time to grow things by themselves.
The Cell 1 is different from other products in the market because we are using microgreens and sprouts, and they are full of nutrients and have a shorter growth times. We have a huge variety of pre-seeded biodegradable pads for microgreens, legumes and grain sprouts. This way you can harvest every single day, all year round, whole, unprocessed ingredients.
In the top tray, with special LED lights, you can grow your own microgreens like radish or even onions in a very fast way. The lower tray is for soaking nuts and for growing sprouts like buckwheat, chickpeas and mung beans. You don't need any experience and you don't need to get your hands dirty. The Cell 1 comes with an app. It is your digital nutritionist. We have also created a cookbook, which is your superfood assistant. In the superfood assistant, you will find different recipes for your breakfast, lunch and dinner. Over the last few years, we spent a lot of time on development and research. And now we need your help to fund the final stages of development and manufacturing to bring the Cell 1 in every household. Please back our project and support us to bring the Cell 1 into your kitchen.